Hi, I'm Zion at the #1 computer repair store in Northern Arizona, the PC Works. Today I wanted to talk to you about doing one of the best speed upgrades you can do to your Apple or Windows computer, and that's a solid-state drive upgrade. From a hard disk drive upgrade. Hard disk drives have a bunch of mechanical parts in them. The disks and platters and this arm that comes out kind of like a record player to read all the data. Versus solid-state drives are very much smaller, and they have a bunch of memory chips on them so that you can read data much faster. The biggest benefit of solid-state drives versus hard disk drives is boot time. Boot time on a solid-state drive is about 15 seconds on a solid-state drive versus a hard disk drive, you've got about 60 seconds or more. Another real big benefit to solid-state drives is multitasking. Multitasking using a solid-state drive allows you to run multiple applications much faster rather than having to wait for a hard disk drive to spin up, wait for the read arm to come out, and read all the data for the application you're trying to run. If you have any questions on pricing or just want to know more, call us today at 928-445-6700 or swing into our location in Prescott off of Willow Creek at the Crossings, and that's 3613 Crossings Drive, Suite A. Again, call us at 928-445-6700 or swing on in. I'd be happy to see you to help you get your computer running faster. Thanks.